Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So, hello again, Power Platform and Fabric enthusiasts. Today, we are going to be covering how to quickly generate generative answers with the new copilots, or as Alex mentioned before, our virtual agents. So, Alex, could you explain more around this topic?
Yeah, sure thing, Gaston. Yeah. So, as we mentioned in our previous chapter, Copilot provides us a quickly way to get generative answers or taking websites or document as a knowledge base. So let's go over my machine and let's check how quickly we can create this kind of question and answering bot using generative answers. So as you can see here, this is our my Copilot Studio environment, or as you can see again here is the our Power Virtual Power BA.microsoft.com. So here you can see here the options, new options we have on Copilot Studio. Let's check again as we check on our previous chapter, but just give a quick look up. We have the Copilot here. Copilot is the new way to name the Power Virtualization. That's just that. Then we have plugins. So the way to create plugin, as we mentioned, to connect with external data source, actions. Then we have prompts. So we can create some external prompts. We can use on prompts some of the AI builder capabilities, like create a text, looking for AI model, classify text, respond complaints. So all the models we have on AI builder. Models, that is the other way that we can use Power Virtualization and build our own models. But today we are going to see and put the focus on generative answers. So let's create a Copilot or a Power Virtualization. So let's name here Copilot is like Gen AI PowerMate Copilot. Okay, Copilot. Just that. Yeah, language in English. As you can see here, we can add directly on the creation step of our Power Virtualization. We can add here the website we want to use for generative answers. I am going to create the Power Virtualization or Copilot, and then after the creation, I'm going to check which options we have in the generative answer feature. So let's create our Copilot as empty. This is going to take a couple of seconds. And after our Copilot is created, or our Power Virtualization, I still like the idea to say Power Virtualization, but yeah, it's something that we need to start change because from now, everything that we can build on the Copilot Studios are Copilots. So we are building our own Copilots, okay? So here is our Copilot or our virtualization. So if we ask something here like hello, you're going to hello, I can help you. Okay. But now we want to add generative answer, because if I ask here, I don't know, what the weather like, I'm going to say here, okay, I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to help you with that. Can you try to refresh it? Of course, because the Copilot is like in clean state. No one's has been trained before. So never have been trained before. So now I'm going to click here on generative AI, this section here on the left side. Click on generative AI, And here we can select use generative answers. You need to select this checkbox or use generative answer to train your bot. So click on generative answers. And here you have two options. First option is to create generative answers using website. Since we have Gaston here and our channel is to talk about Power Platform and Fabric, we are going to train our Power Virtual Agent or our Copilot today to answer questions about Fabric. So we just can grab the URL from the blog Fabric, so blog.fabric.microsoft.com, and add that URL to our generative answer. So click add, that's okay. Then we have the content moderation. You can select in 3 different levels of content moderation. You have the high, so you're just going to have the more relevant answer and with more confident score. Then you have medium and low. In this case, we are going to select medium because it's a big website. So we just want to get the answer, but we don't want to be super specific on the answer. So we can select medium right now. Okay, and so here we have added the website. We select the content moderators and medium, so we can just click on save. And after you click on save, after a couple of seconds, your bot is going to be able to answer you questions about Fabric, for example. So let's reload here and let's add something really simple right now. It's what is Fabric? So as you can see here, pretty quickly, the Power Virtual Agent or the Copilot respond with Fabric is a new data product introduced by Microsoft, blah, 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 with a couple of links. So you can see from where the answer has been getted. So yeah, this is pretty good when you want to have a agent that answer you question about some information. In this case is Fabric, but could be something internal to your company, something related to some topic, doesn't matter. So that is a way that we can create using website. But then we have the option to use files and train your Power Virtual Agent using some file that you have and storage those files into the database.
That is awesome, Alex. I am just thinking about, providing, some docs that I got from the Fabric website, some kind of PDF. What we can do with that? We can upload PDF and with those Fabric info. I just kind of thinking around that.
Yeah, sure. If you have those documents, we can upload document right now and
Oh,
see what happens.
I just shared some of them with you in the private chat.
Okay. Let me grab here those. Okay, one for licensing and the other for intro for Fabric.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's add those documents here. This upload that could take a couple of minutes because it's not just to index a website. They need to upload the files, store in Dataverse, then process the Dataverse files. So that could take like a couple of minutes or maybe 15 minutes. So don't get anxious. If you try and get some answer that you are not expecting, just keep patience. So now, okay, we have the document uploaded here, Fabric license and intro for Fabric. And so I don't know, let's add something different here. For example, what is OneLake? Okay, so now we have the answer here. As you can see here, Microsoft OneLake is a complete ready go enterprise. And even we have the link here that is in some place into the blog Fabric talking about Microsoft OneLake and Fabric. So as you can see here, this is like a big opportunity to quickly build some virtual agent or chatbot using website, using document, or then we are going to see that on next chapters. But we have the options to connect with Azure OpenAI too and use your custom models. So, PowerMate, that's all for today. We hope you are as excited as we are about the potential of Microsoft Copilot.
It's great to see that our copilot in this case is looking not only in the first example that Alex showed with us in the root of the site, what he was asking for, what is Fabric. Also, in this last example, he was looking at few levels within that website, looking at the public log when he was asking about what is OneLake. So, yeah, let's stay tuned for more in-depth insights, tutorials, and exciting news here in our channel.
As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential on Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.